A healthy relationship is important, and it's more common than you may think for couples to experience difficulties. Have you ever experienced a turbulent time in your relationship? Many couples are reluctant to talk about the issues they're struggling with in their relationship, and they may not know how or where to search for help. They may think that everything will sort itself out in the long run and won't take action until things reach a critical level. Therapists with long waiting lists and busy schedules may also prevent them from getting the help they need. Therefore, we asked ourselves, how can we offer couples professional help in an easy and convenient way? Let us present Remainly. Remainly is an online service based on many years' experience from couples therapy, designed to teach couples how to handle everyday problems or to deal with a crisis. Usually, you only need to make small changes in order to improve your relationship. Everyone can learn this. Remainly is anonymous, secure, easy to use, and available wherever you are. Try Remainly today and improve your relationship. A good relationship leads to increased happiness, more intimacy, and even a longer life. Remainly, online couples therapy.